I think I found the perfect flat bag. And no, it's not Chanel, but you'll want to see what I got. Stay tuned. Hello, my name is Andrea. Welcome back to my channel, and thanks for joining me in the Babe Cave today. And I was heavily influenced on this purchase. I think I saw 3 channels show this bag, and I will link them down below. I know I saw rack reviews, I saw DJ King, and I saw Carmen Hawkins, all with this same bag, I believe, or maybe a different version, but close. So, yes, it happens to us all the time that we are influenced. It happens, and then we end up influencing you all. That happens. So, I am blaming all them for this purchase, but I know it's going to be fabulous, and let's get right to it. It came in this, and I ordered this off Saks off 5th, and I joined their text or email and got 10%, I believe, off of this purchase. However, I know some other people found this same bag at Ross and Marshall's possibly for less, but I don't care. It still was a good deal for what it is. So, okay. Here, and it's my first ever Karl Lagerfeld bag that I've ever bought. And I cannot resist it. And I blame them, but I also am really happy that they showed this bag. And do I need another denim bag? Yes, apparently I did. This one is so good. It is called the Denim, I believe you say that, Agyness. And it said regularly $248. It was with my 10% off, and then of course I used Raketun. I will always link my Raketun down below. I just got my last check from Raketun. And I think I paid $111 for it. So yeah, it wasn't a Coach Tabby price tag. So, and it's big, and look at that. Look how pretty that dark denim is. And then there's also a back pocket. So let me get this fully unwrapped for you, and I'll be right back. Okay, I just want to let's start with these straps. These are very substantial. I mean, not super heavy, but they're almost a brass antique colored hardware, and that is the denim all inside the chain. So I believe it's just a shoulder bag, but I will find out for you in mod shots if it will fit crossbody. So let's just take off this sticker. I am keeping this. This, to me, the size and how much it was is so much better than the Coach Tabby, the denim Tabby. I'm sure the leather ones are worth, that price, but for denim, I like this price. And this was on Saks off 5th, I know, but I believe you have to add to wait lists, so maybe they'll come back in stock. I'm not really sure about that either, but yes, the details. And then on this, there is a little Eiffel Tower charm already attached, and it does say, it says Karl right here on the tower part. Yeah, let me see if I can get a close-up of that. Can you see it says Karl instead of Paris? Very cute. This is the bottom of the bag, and I believe you can take off this charm, which I haven't decided whether I'm keeping it on or taking it off. And of course it has a turn lock mechanism. I always love a turn lock. And if you didn't know, Karl Lagerfeld used to be a designer at Chanel way back. I'm not sure the date range, but so it's no surprise that he would do a denim flat bag like a Chanel. So this is awesome. The denim looks it's really sturdy and there is some structure to it, but let me take out the stuffing. It says it's 100% cotton bag on the inside, and I believe it has little Karl Lagerfeld heads on the inside, and then it has the back zipper pocket on that side, and it has another slip pocket with some card slots as well on the front part. And I already know what's in this back pocket, so I'll show you in case you haven't seen it, because I've been watching these unboxings already. It has the Karl Lagerfeld care card, and this is so cute. It says, "Love from Paris, Karl Lagerfeld." And it has this little note in the back pocket. Very unique, I would say. And this is what it has a little building, Karl Lagerfeld, on the top. And it looks like it's probably French first. It says, "I want everyone to wear what they want and mix it in their own way. That to me is what is modern. Karl Lagerfeld." So that's pretty neat. And it looks like a little stamp on the side here, if I can get it in. But yeah, I'll keep that in this bag for sure. I don't usually like his bags because I don't want his name all over a bag. So when I saw this one, I'm like, oh, he did it right. He did it right. Because the only part you see his name is right here. Karl Lagerfeld, Paris. And yeah, so that was inside the zipper pocket in the back. Black interior. I love that it doesn't have any extra flap or extra middle zipper. It's just open. It's open and nice, and it feels nice. And it also came with, which is totally surprising, a dust bag. I don't typically use a lot of dust bags. I like to see my bags. That way I use my bags. Because if I can't see them, I tend to ignore them. Anyone else like that, or is that just me? So, got a dust bag. And it pretty much holds its structure. I mean, but it's denim. So, let me close it and see how that looks. I can already tell this is making some noise, this little Eiffel Tower. But it's so cute. Let me do a close-up of this quilting here. Look at the stitching. Beautiful. Beautiful denim bag. For $111, I'll take it. I think that some people found this bag for like I've seen $40 to $80 to $90, but I got it around $100. I'm fine with that. And it is so pretty. Denim. I can't get enough. This has to be enough. So let me give you the measurements. So roughly this one is 10.5 that way, about 6 up and down, and 2.5 wide. Perfect size bag, will fit your essentials. And this will definitely fit your iPhone. Let's just try, just so we know. This is the big iPhone 15. Plenty of room. Plenty of room. Oh man, this is checking all the boxes. What do you guys think of this denim? You know, I am not a fan of the light denim. So when they showed this on their channel, I had to find it. I believe there's a larger version of this, but this one works out just perfect for me. I love the detail of the denim, but like I said, these chains, they're not light. I don't know about the denim Coach Tabby, how heavy or light they are, but these are not exactly light. Just so you're aware of that. But let's do a mod shot real quick, and then my final thoughts. So, as you could tell, this does not work crossbody for me, which I didn't think that it would anyway, and I really didn't care because I was going to use it as the shoulder bag anyway. So I'm 5'6" and curvy, and yeah, you saw where it landed, and that's no-go for me. Real quick, I just wanted to show you the Coach Nolita. Let's see how it works in there just real quick. If you wanted to bring Nolita, if you wanted to use a big size wallet, it fits nicely in there, and then just pop in your keys and you're good to go. And it closes just fine. It fits very nicely on the shoulder. The texture of this bag is beautiful. I even think that he lined up the quilting. Well, I take that back. It's close to being lined up. Not quite, though. Mine's not quite lined up on this side. Let's look at the back side to see if it is. That kind of stuff doesn't bother me. It does line up better on the back. However, the front is close, but not quite. So, I love that pattern. The stitching looks amazing. The bottom, the back. Add your name to the wait list. And this, again, was Saks off 5th Avenue is where I found it. Or your local Ross or TJ Maxx possibly could have one. It just depends on if someone grabbed it or not. So, what do you guys think? Should I leave the Karl Lagerfeld charm on or not? Let me know down below what you think of that. I'm not sure of the position and if I like that. But I love the bag. It is beautiful. Get you a denim bag. If you haven't already bought a denim bag, what are you waiting for? Everybody needs a denim bag. It's perfect for summer and spring. So anyway, thank you all for watching, subscribing, being my friends on here on YouTube, and don't forget to hit the bell so you won't miss my future videos, and give me a thumbs up if you like my new purse. And do you think that that is a perfect ultimate flat bag? Yes, it is. Anyway, thank you again for watching, and I hope that you have a great rest of your day or night or whenever you're watching me. And until next time, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.